G'day, I'm Mark from Self-Sufficient Me, and in this How to Basic Gardening Fruit and Veg Growing in 2 Minutes video, I'm going to show you guys how I grow passion fruit seedlings using the crush and sprinkle method. First of all, you want to choose a passion fruit that is easy to grow, something that you like to eat, and something that is true to type and grows from seed. So when you've found the passion fruit that you want, what you do is you let a few of them go stale on the kitchen bench, dehydrate down, and they turn into a brown, crispy case. It's the perfect place to store passion fruit seeds. This will take maybe several months. The next thing to do is grab a medium-sized container, get some potting mix or seed raising mix, it doesn't really matter, and crush and sprinkle into that container or tray. Then just backfill with the potting medium, about 1 inch or so over the top, give it a good water and sit it in your seed raising area, and in about a week's time you'll find that the seedlings will come through. Once those seedlings are 2 or 3 inches high, we prick out and dip into individual pots. Pluck them out one by one. Make a hole with your little dipper. Carefully place that seedling in. Give them a good watering in and let them grow on. And in 2 or 3 weeks, your seedlings will reach 6 to 8 inches high. And at this stage, you can plant them out wherever you want them. So let's finish the video off by planting ours out along a trellis that I've made earlier. Well, there you go, I'm pretty happy with that. A couple of feet apart, spread out nice and evenly. I've got plenty in reserve in case some of them don't make it, which is possible. I'll just replace it with what I've got left, which is quite a few. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up, share it around. Don't forget to subscribe, visit the website self-sufficientme.com. Bye for now.